and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ashley and I'm so happy you made your way to my channel today because I'm doing one of my favorite types of videos, which is a product review video. So today we'll be looking at two different products by NYC Curls, which is their Curl Cleanser and their Curl Conditioner. So both of these products were used on my head a little while back at the Evan Joseph Hair Salon, and I just loved the results that I got when they used them. My hair was moisturized, it was defined, it was soft. So I looked for them online, I found them on Amazon, and I purchased them, and they got here so fast, and I couldn't wait to use them. So I have already used these products before. So spoiler, I did love the products. This is actually day 7 hair after using them, along with the AG Hair Volume Foam, which they used at the salon as well. And I just love the results that I got. My hair is still a little moisturized, it's still a little soft, it's still pretty defined, but it is getting frizzy. So I am going to wash it today. So you'll get to see how I use these products. I'll talk about them along the way, and we'll talk about the ingredients as well before we even get started, because ingredients are so important. So let's go ahead and just get started because we have a lot to cover. So looking at both of these products, they both have ingredients that are curly hair approved, and they both are very gentle on the hair. So it says here that you can even use these products on color treated hair and you can use them daily. I'm not going to use them daily. I like to wash my hair 2 or 1 time a week. So I will only be using these twice or once a week. And just good to know that they're so gentle that you can use them daily though. So a couple of ingredients that they do call out, which I think are really good for healthy hair, is aloe, mint oil, ginger oil, and vitamin E. So in the Curl Cleanser, you'll see the mint oil, aloe, and vitamin E. And then in the Curl Conditioner, it calls out the aloe, vitamin E, and ginger oil. And the mint definitely comes through smell-wise with the cleanser. So if you aren't a mint person, definitely something to think about when you're thinking about purchasing this product. But I love the mint smell. It smells very clean. Both of these products smell very clean and smell very good, which is super important to me. Another thing I wanted to call out is the fact that they show here that they also have no silicones, parabens, or sulfates in these products, which is always good to see. You should not buy any products that have these things in them when you have curly hair because they can be damaging to your hair. So everything ingredients wise really checks out with these products. So very happy to see that here. And then going right into the individual product reviews and how I use them. Let's start with the Curl Cleanser. So this product, as I mentioned before, very moisturizing, but you can really see that in the consistency and texture of this product. So as I poured it into my hand, I could tell that it was very creamy, and that was a really good sign because when I'm looking for a moisturizing shampoo, those are the things that I look for. I like it to be very smooth and creamy, which it definitely was. So when I was applying the product, I noticed that there was no lather. So you can see here on the bottle, it says non-lathering, and that's definitely true. Some of the products or shampoos that have lather, they include some kind of ingredient that is not very good for curly hair. So when I'm looking for my moisturizing shampoos, I do look for those that do not lather. So I'm glad that they even show this on the bottle. So really liked that about the product. And then again, smelled so good going in. But then just talking through how I actually use this product. So since this is a more moisturizing shampoo, I felt completely comfortable using this product all the way through my hair. So of course, since this is shampoo, I wanted to focus on my scalp. So I'm using my fingertips and I'm really scrubbing my scalp to make sure that that is clean. But then I add a little bit more shampoo to my hand and I'm taking the shampoo from the roots to the end of my hair. And I'm just really smoothing and using the praying hands method to make sure that all of my hair is covered and gets clean. So after doing that and rinsing it out, my hair was amazingly clean. My scalp felt really good. My hair did not feel like it was dried out. So I was very pleased with this product and I'm loving it. So we are done with the shampoo process and we can move on with the conditioner. So the conditioner, it can be used as a daily conditioner, a leave-in conditioner, and a deep conditioner. I'm going to use this as a conditioner and a leave-in conditioner today. So I'll show you how I apply it in both ways, starting with, of course, the way I apply it as a regular conditioner. So when I first poured this into my hand, I felt again that it was very creamy and moisturizing. I loved the consistency of it and I was really excited to get it in. So I just started as quickly as I put it in and I smoothed it through my hair, and from root to end, really focusing on the ends. I used the praying hands method, smoothing method, and did a little bit of raking as well. I didn't do too much raking in the beginning because I really wanted to let this product sit in my hair and get those tangles loose before I did so. So I clipped my hair up while I showered, and then I took it down 10 minutes later to do some detangling. So that's when I'm really doing that raking. I'm finger detangling my hair, so I'm just running my fingers through and getting those tangles out. And it was so easy to do so. So as I was doing it, I saw that curl was forming, my hair felt really moisturized. There was a lot of slip to the product. So I just really loved how this product made my hair feel. My hair was shiny as well, so I loved the shine that it gave my hair, and it just like all around was a really good moisturizing conditioner. So now that I have detangled my hair, I'm ready to rinse my hair with warm water. And I want to use warm water because my hair is a little bit more on the low porosity side, so I really need that heat to open up my hair so that it absorbs the product. So then I went in and I used it as a leave-in conditioner. So I took the same product again. I put a little bit in my hand, and my hair is still very wet at this point. So you do want to keep your hair very wet, and then you want to dilute the product. So I took the product under the water and added water to it, and then I quickly put it in my hair. So I just smoothed it in, and again, a lot of slip putting it in again because my hair is already moisturized and it's feeling even more moisturized at this point, and it's so easy to apply. And I'm just using the praying hands method and then doing a tiny bit of raking again, and that is literally it for these two products. And then I'm ready to just go in with the foam. So I'm not going to show the foam, me applying the foam on camera because I have shown that in a video before, but after I applied it, my hair looked super defined. You can see here, it's so shiny and it looks really good. So it's still wet here, and I'm going to let my hair dry, and then I'll be back on camera to show you all my day one results. All right, so my hair is finally dry now, and I just wanted to show you all the final results for day one, and I'll give you a little zoom in here on the hair so you can see the definition. I don't have as much volume as you saw on day 7, but as the week goes on, you do get more and more volume. Right now, there is a bit of cast still on my hair from the foam. I did a tiny bit of scrunching, so I'll scrunch a little bit more so you can see how much volume that gives you. It does give you a little bit more once you scrunch the cast out. But I really do like to keep the cast in normally on day 1. So if I wasn't showing you all, I probably would not be scrunching my hair out at all today. I would just do so once I am styling my hair in the morning. So I think it helps it to last longer when you're keeping the cast on, and I just think that I get better results throughout the week when I do so. But just really quickly, do a little spin for you. And that is it. So I really do love all of the products that I used today. I hope that you enjoyed this review and it was helpful for you all. If it was, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.